In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change weapons in Valorant's practice mode, also known as the range. If you're looking to practice your aim or experiment with different weapons to find your favorites, you'll find this guide to be incredibly helpful. Now, let's get started with a step-by-step walkthrough to ensure you have all the knowledge you need to make the most out of your practice time. First, you'll want to launch Valorant as you normally would. Once you're in the game, make your way to the main menu. Here, you'll find various options, but for the purpose of this tutorial, look for the Practice tab. It might be labeled as Play in some versions, so keep an eye out for either of those terms. Now, go ahead and click on it. After clicking, you'll encounter different options under this tab. Select Practice Mode or Range. Both of these choices lead you to the same destination, which is Riot Games' specialized area for honing your skills. Once that's selected, hit Enter or click on the Confirm button to commence loading into the range. Upon entering the range, you'll find yourself in a safe, enclosed environment equipped with everything needed for a comprehensive firearms workout. To your left, you'll observe a row of tables laden with a comprehensive selection of weapons from the game. This arsenal consists of automatic rifles, sniper rifles, pistols, submachine guns, and shotguns, everything you could potentially wield in a match. Walk over to these tables. You might notice some weapon selections you haven't had the chance to try during a real match, which could be a great opportunity to assess their strengths and weaknesses. To equip a weapon, stand close to the table and move your crosshair over it until you see an option to pick it up. This action can be completed by pressing the F key on your keyboard. If you have remapped this key binding, make sure you press the corresponding key instead. You'll notice your current weapon immediately switches to this new selection. Go ahead and test your newly equipped weapon on the various targets throughout the range. These targets differ in distance and size, allowing you to get a real feel for how each weapon behaves across different scenarios. Practice switching between weapons as much as you like, aiming to achieve accuracy, speed, and efficiency. This practical experience will translate into improved performance once you step into a real match. And that's all there is to it. Changing weapons in Valorant's practice mode is that simple. This knowledge can be invaluable, giving you a chance to become familiar with each firearm and understand which suits your gameplay style best. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Remember to practice consistently to improve your skills, and before long, you'll notice significant improvements in your game. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.